Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a quick hair wrap, very simple hair wrap. I'm using satin, and satin comes in 36 inches by 45 inches, while the brown color is 30 inches by 30 inches. So that is the difference between the satin and the brown color. So like I said, it's a very simple hair wrap, and if you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying tuned. It's a very simple one, a 3-minute video that you can just tie or wrap and you are good to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.